Alright guys, Spliff here. Welcome back, and today let's talk about the RAPOO S500. Wireless headsets.
It's definitely not for gaming.
But if you're traveling a lot, frequently answering calls, and also on-the-go music/movie lover, this is definitely for you. Nowadays, you have so many to choose from. But if you hate those big and bulky over-the-ear headsets because you have a physically small build, and you also hate those in-ear headsets because it often irritates your ears, then you're also stylish and you want your headset to fit your look, your options are limited, then I recommend the RAPOO S500 on-ear headset. But before that, I would be very thankful if you like and subscribe. I publish tech reviews of usually unusual items like this one. With that out of the way, let's unbox, test, and review the RAPOO S500 on-ear headset. Let's do this! The RAPOO S500 has been around since 2013. I got this from a third-party seller since this headset has long been discontinued. This headset is probably the successor of H6020, another discontinued product that's still available from third-party sellers online. The S500 has a lightweight and comfortable, minimalistic build with a sleek metallic finish. It comes in 6 different colors that will match whatever style you're in. Has Bluetooth 4.0, which was the standard during that time. It supports multi-point connection, which enables a user to connect 2 devices at the same time. Has 16 hours of battery life. Plus, it supports not only wireless mode but also wired mode as well, for PC or Mac at least. This stereo Bluetooth headset also has a built-in omnidirectional microphone for making clear calls even in a crowded environment. Look how old it is. It even supports Windows XP, for goodness sake. Anyways, I got a gold version. It's amazing to see an old product still in a sealed box. I wonder if the warranty still applies. First to come out, USB micro to USB-A cable. Next, a quick start guide. And finally, the RAPOO S500 headset. With the metal finish, damn, this headset looks so premium. The headband is also metal, insulated by a transparent tubing. The pads are also comfortable. The whole thing is very lightweight. And yeah, the headband is also adjustable. On the left earpiece, we have the power button. This also serves as a Bluetooth pair button, call answer /end button, and media play /pause button. Here, a LED indicator, volume rocker, micro USB port, and a hole, I believe, for the microphone. No buttons on the right earpiece. Let's check if the battery charging still works. I think this headset has been in the warehouse for quite a while now. Thank God. The red light means it's charging, and green means fully charged. Now we're ready to pair. We need to press and hold the power button until the LED indicator will have a steady flash. It is now detected by my phone. Music time! Now let's try the so-called wired mode. Sadly, this is only available for computers. Be sure to set the RAPOO USB audio as your playback device to use the USB wired mode. So here's the review. Since I'm giving this away, this item is not for me, I'll look at it objectively. The look and feel is just so premium. The metallic finish, the color options. Wearing a headset like this is like wearing an accessory that is part of the whole outfit. The audio quality, as far as all on-ear headsets are concerned, leaks out sound and you can still hear the surrounding noises. But the clarity, thanks to the 5.1 simulated surround sound, for me is above average. But if you prefer a more immersive experience, an over-the-ear headset with noise isolation is for you, not this. The mic quality is also clear and crisp, even if you're in a crowded place. Battery lasts 16 hours, more than enough for an average man. The option to use wired USB audio is also good. It's kinda misleading though. I was expecting it to work with the micro USB to 3.5mm cable that I have. Damn, it's only for PC. Okay, the bad part. Because this is an old release, it only supports Bluetooth 4.0. But as long as you won't take the headset away more than 10 meters, the connection is solid. And again, because this is an old release, you may never find this in a physical shop. Only online from a third-party shop. For me personally, I prefer over-the-ear headsets like this one because it covers my ear, all of them. Probably because I'm a gamer and it makes it more immersive than any other types of headsets. I also prefer wired headsets when I'm gaming since it produces less latency. Check out this review. And when I'm traveling, I use this. And when I just wanna lay down and relax for a bit, I prefer this headset. But when I'm working out, this is what I like. There you go, different headsets for different occasions. And that's my take on the RAPOO S500 on-ear headset. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe for more videos like this one. As always, keep safe, God bless.